In Southeast Asia, including Bali, there is a syndrome called Lata, which is a form of Tourette syndrome. Now, with people who are Lata, as in Dadong Chang Lata, Ementiang Lata, my mother has Lata, or my grandmother has Lata. Lata is usually a syndrome which you find in grandmothers and elder mothers, and also in transsexuals. The Balinese form of Lata is most commonly expressed by women, perhaps working in the kitchen, when something falls over and smashes or there's a loud noise. Here are a few examples, after which I will translate the term. Slak-gede means big cock. One also hears slak-slum-gede, which means big black cock. Pek makaplug means my vagina is exploding. Panachang ulung, my unborn child has slid out of my vagina.